G'day guys, exciting times on our Newport renovation. All the hard work is finally out of the way. All the steel beams, the demolition of brickwork, and getting this job to where it is now to open up and get this incredible view of the canals that the owner was looking to achieve. We ripped all the front wall out, we got the huge front door in, so you can basically turn up at the front entry of this home now and look straight through the home, out to the pool, the canal, and all the boats out the back. It's absolutely fantastic. We've currently got Aidan and the guys from Platinum Plastering on site, and they're absolutely nailing it. There is so much detailed plastering on this project. There's over 330 lineal meters of metal angles on all the bulkheads around the tops and the ceilings and everything on this project, and they're absolutely killing it. So exciting times. It's flying along now, so the boys will be finished the plastering in the next few days. We'll then be moving on to our internal fit out. The guys from Northern Suburbs will be coming in to lay the beautiful timber floors, and the guys from Marvin Stairs will follow them and install the internal stairs. Stay tuned, because this job is going to be a cracker.